lot many sensitive, magnanimous, and passionate people to drive this kind of an activity. And Pankaj ji, we are very proud that we have been continuing this program with you and CPA. And we wish and look forward that we continue our journey together in being a responsible and involved citizen of this country. Thank you so much.
I'd also like to invite Shri Siddharth Roy of Hungama to come forward and say a couple of words about our streaming and our association.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an extreme privilege and honor to be here today. Both to Pankaj as well as to the CPA, we congratulate you on 15 years of this journey. And Hungama is extremely committed to making the reach of this cause as well as this entire music experience that users get, we take it to the world. We have continued to, over the last 5 years of our association, we've been bringing various sets of digital distribution networks to the service as such. This time the entire music Khazana will be available on FB Live. We'll be working very closely with Facebook to make this available live as well. Apart from that, this will be available across YouTube. Both Hungama Music and Hungama Play platforms will be taking this live. Both of these services for video are actually paid for services, but for this event we will be making it free to all, for all consumers to get reach of this program. Apart from that, on DTH, Tata Sky has done, we've been doing engagements with Tata Sky for the last 3 years. Last year was the first time that we took it from audio into video. This year we're going to make it larger. You're going to see an entire marketing and promotion program that Tata Sky is going to be running on Channel 100 on the back of Khazana for the 29th and 30th live appointment viewing, where we're looking at consumers to actually tune in to be able to watch that across India. And it will be available for the first time on audio on another DTH network. Airtel DTH is going to be making this available on an audio feed as well. So our idea is to continue to take this entire proposition to the world, get more and more younger audiences to also get access to this great content that's getting created. And I'd love to both congratulate Pankaj as well as the artists who do this, and we're very committed to continuing the 25 years of our association with
On this occasion, I would certainly like to invite our very, very respected and senior most artist, Shri Bhupender Singh Ji and Mitali Ji, to come on the stage and please say a few words. Please come, please come.
Good morning, Namaskar. खजाना 15 साल का जवान हो चुका है, it's growing up. मैंने पर्सनली कहा था कि when started खजाना it was about 4 or 5 artists. So in 15 years we have more than 15 most beautiful faces who are connected to Ghazal UC. This खजाना जो है वो इतना फैल गया है, इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि भाई we are so happy that new talent has come in. Because people who have to carry it out further on. तो हमें इस बात की बहुत खुशी है, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कलाकार आ गए अभी, बहुत अच्छे यंगस्टर हैं, और मेरी उनसे यही एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि they should continue with that. And I have seen many Ghazal singers who have changed their lines, हिंदुस्तान की धरोहर है, उर्दू हिंदुस्तान की ज़ुबान है। उर्दू जो है वो पाकिस्तान की ज़ुबान नहीं है, ये हिंदुस्तान की ज़ुबान है, यहाँ से निकली है। लैंग्वेज है, तो उर्दू पढ़िए और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे उर्दू में इतनी खूबसूरत बातें होती हैं कि आप भूल लो कि बाकी सब लैंग्वेजेस जितनी हैं। और मैं अपने जितने भी नए कलाकार हैं जो भी गा रहे हैं, मैं उनको तो ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आप उर्दू ज़रूर पढ़िए। हमारी जितनी भी लड़कियाँ हैं, जितने अच्छे अच्छे लड़के यंग बॉयज़ जो आ रहे हैं अभी हमारे इसमें, दे हैव टू लर्न उर्दू रीडिंग एटलीस्ट इसी फॉर प्रोनाउंसिएशंस। सो दिस बाकी तो सब ठीक है, वी आर ऑल गुड, यू नो। Hopefully see you on 29th and 30th. Wish you all the best, Pankaj ji. You are doing a great job. You are so much connected to the ghazal and you have really created a class of elite ghazal singers. So I am very happy about it and God bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैं दो ही लफ्ज़ बोलूँगी कि जिस तरह से पंकज जी ने कहा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू थैंक पंकज जी और इन तीनों ने, अनूप जी और तलत साहब ने जो सोचा था 15 साल पहले, उसके बाद हम इकट्ठे जब शुरू किए, रेखा जी और सब लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, सिर्फ सिंगर्स का मतलब जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, ये ख़जाने में सुनने वाले भी बहुत एजुकेटेड सुनने वाले आते हैं। तो ये नहीं कि जो आप गा रहे हैं सब वाह वाह कर रहे हैं, सुनने वाले समझने वाले भी आ रहे हैं। तो ये जो 15 साल हमने इसको बहुत संभाल के, ये जैसे बच्चों को तैयार करते हैं ना, बहुत संभाल के गज़ल को हम लोग इस तरह इस साल तक पहुंच चुके हैं। इसके पीछे बहुत एक हार्ड वर्क, जो हम लोग हंसते हुए गाते जाते हैं, लेकिन जो हार्ड वर्क पीछे है, सब खड़े हैं यहाँ पे, नायाब है, the team, entire team, everyone I want to thank. शुक्रिया पंकज जी अगेन। और इस साल शुरू के दिन में ही हम लोग शुरू करेंगे, सारे जितने यंगस्टर्स हैं, ऑल द बेस्ट भी इस साल हैं। थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस, थैंक यू ऑल। ख़जाना जो है वो मोहब्बत की ज़ुबान है। मैं कहूँगी कि हुस्न सीरत नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं, दिल को राहत नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं, लाख दौलत हो ऐशो इशरत हो, एक मोहब्बत नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं।
I would certainly like to mention that another ghazal artist who is present here this evening, this afternoon, who's also been a part of Khazana from day one, Pinaz Masani. Let's all give her a big hand. Pinaz is here. This year's Khazana will certainly bring in a whole lot of new singers, whole lot of versatile, established singers. We are so happy this year to have Anuradha Pudwalji and Suresh Wadkaji to be a part of Khazana. Suresh ji is on his way, he should be reaching any moment. He comes all the way from Jubilee and I think he's going to leave, but he'll be here shortly. So, thank you all for being here this afternoon. Before we open the session for all your interaction with the artist and question answer and everything, we've created a Khazana anthem, we've created a Khazana theme song. So we would like to screen the theme song for the pleasure of everyone. So give your attention, this is the Khazana theme song. Suresh, thank you for being a part of Khazana this year. We were coming to towards the end of the session, but I would certainly like to invite Suresh ji to come and say 2 words for Khazana, give his best wishes. If you can come and say a couple of words. Thank you.
नमस्कार। सबसे पहले तो मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा, ट्रैफिक इतना नहीं था मगर मुझे तो थोड़ा सा काम था, तो उसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया। मगर मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि पंकज भाई और खजाना इस साल भी मुझे अपने इस प्रोग्राम में शामिल होने का मुझे मौका दे रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं पंकज भाई और उनकी ये इंस्टीट्यूशन। इसी तरह जब भी मेरी सेवा का आपको ज़रूरत लगेगी, मेरी सेवा की, तो मुझे ज़रूर याद कीजिएगा। बस यही कहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
There's one aspect of Khazana which I wanted to share with you, which is very good news, and I thought I must share with you all. When we started Khazana in 2002, the treatment for thalassaemic children was very basic. It was just blood transfusion and medication. But after 2002, they introduced bone marrow transplant in India. It was being done abroad, but it was not being done here. So bone marrow transplant started in India. And with the money collected from Khazana, we slowly started selecting children who were qualifying for bone marrow transplant. So we started working on these children. And let me share with you that with the money collected from Khazana, in the last 15 years, when the bone marrow transplant started, from that point, we have been able to treat 50 children with bone marrow transplant. And out of those 50 children, 49 children have been totally cured of thalassemia. Today, they don't need any blood transfusion, they don't need any medication, they are totally cured of thalassemia. So that has been the great Khazana, I would say, help from Khazana to the children of thalassemia. I would now say that the lunch is served. So enjoy your lunch, but before that, all my media friends, you have any questions, you have any, you want to talk to any artist, you are free to do so. We are all here. So you can interact with everybody, you can talk to them, you can take the pictures, you can take their bites from the television. So, and in the process, the food is also served. Thank you so much. I would like to request all the artists to come to the stage, please.